In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a page break in your document using a simple yet effective method. This is a handy skill to have when you're organizing a long document, and it helps keep things neat and tidy, ensuring that your document reads just the way you intend it to. So, let's dive in and see how it's done. First things first, you need to place the cursor at the exact spot where you want your new page to begin. Imagine you're writing a novel or a report, and you want to start a new chapter or a new section on a clean page. You'll want to position your cursor precisely where the content for this new page should commence. It's similar to telling your document, "Hey, start the next page here." This cursor placement is crucial because everything after it will get shifted onto the new page once we insert the page break. Once you've placed your cursor, we'll be using the ribbon at the top of your Word document. The ribbon is that convenient toolbar that contains all the tabs and options you need for editing and formatting your document. For today's task, we're particularly interested in the Insert tab, which is home to various tools you might need to enrich your document. Go ahead and click on the Insert tab. You'll notice a lot of options here, but you want to focus on the section labeled Pages. In the Pages group, you'll find an option that says Page Break. Clicking this option will instantly introduce a page break at your cursor's position. What this action does is it takes all the content following your cursor and moves it to the beginning of the next page. It's like a digital command that says, "Move over, it's time for a new beginning." This is a quick and straightforward way to organize your document without any fuss. Page breaks are essential tools, especially when you need a clean slate for new chapters or sections, and they help maintain a professional structure in your work. By following these steps, you should now see a pristine new page starting precisely where you placed your cursor. It's a seamless way to ensure that your document's flow is logical and easy to follow. Page breaks can really elevate your document from a collection of thoughts to a coherent masterpiece. That wraps up today's tutorial on inserting page breaks. Remember, organization is key to delivering any sort of impactful document. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this instruction helpful in your word processing endeavors.